Gone are the days when tapping into the potential of wind power was exclusively linked to those massive wind farms. There's a Canadian company called the Power Collective, created something awesome called the RidgeBlade. It's like a mini wind turbine, but for your house. Instead of standing tall in a field or out in the ocean, this turbine sits right on the roof of a building. The wind hits the roof, speeds up like a champion, and forms a pinch point right at the roof ridge. It's like catching a gust of wind in the perfect spot. This nifty design trick means that the wind speed around the ridge can be more than 3 times the actual wind speed. RidgeBlade can produce a mind-blowing 220% more energy thanks to the Aeolian wind focus effect. So, what the RidgeBlade system is all about, and it can produce 220% more energy with the help of Aeolian wind effect, we'll talk about that in detail in this video. Welcome to our Spotlight Startup series, where we bring you compelling case studies about innovative startup companies. Now let's talk about the real challenges in the home energy game. Solar panels are fantastic during the sunny season, but let's face it, winter can be a bit of a bummer. Days get darker, and those solar panels start slacking. That's where the RidgeBlade and its home wind turbines come into play. They're like the dynamic duo, ensuring you have a constant energy supply, even when the clouds decide to throw a party. It's not your typical clunky wind turbine. No, it's designed to be your rooftop companion. The cool part? It seamlessly blends with the design of your house. But what really makes it stand out is its ability to use something called the Aeolian wind focus effect to give you a whopping 220% more energy. Let's break down this wind focus effect because it's the secret sauce of the RidgeBlade. Think of your roof, that angled surface above your head. When the wind hits it, it's forced to travel over the roof, and as it does, it speeds up towards the pitch, creating a pinch point at the roof ridge. It's like a wind funnel, and the RidgeBlade sits right in this sweet spot, harnessing up to 9 times more energy compared to a hot, horizontal axis wind turbine system. So even when winter throws its gloominess our way, the RidgeBlade keeps your home running on 100% off-grid energy. Now, here's where the RidgeBlade flexes its muscles. While conventional turbines are taking a timeout during storms, the RidgeBlade is still spinning away. It can handle winds over 100 miles per hour, which is basically Hurricane Category 2 speed. It's like the superhero of wind turbines, saving the day even when things get rough. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty of what makes the RidgeBlade so darn cool. Forget those 3-blade setups you see on traditional turbines. The RidgeBlade has a unique rotor system. Picture a bunch of small blades stacked vertically, almost like a water wheel. This design not only covers more wind, but also makes it a silent operator, even in the midst of turbulent urban environments. So, no annoying hums or vibrations disrupting your peace. Now, I know what you're thinking. Wind turbines on your roof? That sounds like a visual nightmare. Well, the RidgeBlade is here to keep things sleek. It's designed to integrate seamlessly with your house, and it's got the lowest visual impact. No need to worry about an eyesore on your rooftop. It's practically incognito. Living in a city has its perks, but the wind isn't always your friend, especially when it comes to turbines. Noise and vibrations can turn into a headache, but not with the RidgeBlade. Its advanced design tackles those turbulent air conditions common in urban settings. It's like the ninja of wind turbines, silent, efficient, and always ready for action. Let's sum up why the RidgeBlade is stealing the spotlight. It's not just a pretty face on your roof, it's a powerhouse with brains. The unique rotor system, the ability to operate during storms, and the Aeolian wind focus effect. These are the secret ingredients that make the RidgeBlade the superhero of home wind turbines. While the big guys are taking a break during storms, the RidgeBlade is out there, generating energy like a boss. Now, for the not-so-fun part. Getting your hands on a RidgeBlade isn't as simple as clicking Add to Cart on an online store. Nope. You've got to go through an accredited partner network, and guess what? There are only 6 of these partners worldwide. Yeah, it's a bit exclusive for something so revolutionary. So if you're planning to hop on the RidgeBlade train, you'll need to connect with one of these partners, usually architectural offices they work with. Alright, let's talk money. The RidgeBlade comes in 3 flavors. RB1 for residential buildings, RB2 for commercial customers, and a hybrid system that includes solar panels. According to the Power Collective, the hybrid system is a powerhouse in windy regions, enough to supply an entire off-grid family home all year long. But here's the catch. It's not a budget-friendly option. An accredited architect quoted the starting price for 7 RB1 turbines at around 45,000 euros, and that's just for the materials. Add another 5,000 euros for installation, and you're looking at a price tag of 50,000 euros, roughly $53,000. Yep, it's an investment. Let's talk real-world performance. The RidgeBlade is all about that sweet spot of wind, so it's crucial to know the average wind speed in your location. Check out globalwindatlas.com. It's a handy website where you can track real-time wind speeds worldwide. The RidgeBlade shines in areas with consistent and high wind energy. If you're in a wind energy paradise, it might just be the perfect dance partner for your home. Time for some real talk. As awesome as the RidgeBlade sounds, it's not without its drawbacks. Limited availability is a bummer, and the exclusive partner network might leave you feeling like it's a VIP club. Plus, maintenance is a thing. Wind turbines, including the RidgeBlade, need regular TLC to keep those moving parts happy. Plan on setting aside about 1% of the initial cost every year for maintenance. It's a bit more hands-on compared to solar systems. Now, let's play the comparison game. Is the RidgeBlade a better bet than solar panels? Well, it depends on your goals and where you live. Solar panels are still winning the cost-effectiveness game for now. The RidgeBlade is like the cool kid in the early stages, but who knows? As they ramp up production, the cost might just drop, making it a more attractive option. What does the future hold for the RidgeBlade? Well, it's still in its early stages, but there's hope. Mass production could be the key to bringing down the cost and making it a more accessible option for folks like us. As technology advances, who knows what's next in the world of home wind turbines? The RidgeBlade might just be the beginning of a wind revolution. All right, folks, whether you're Team Wind, Team Solar, or a bit of both, the future of renewable energy is looking bright. Keep an eye on the RidgeBlade and other innovations in the pipeline. And if you're itching for more updates on the renewable energy scene, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and join us on this exciting